Hello guys, welcome back to another video which is going to help you on your weight loss journey, to get your desired body shape, in Western countries like the United States, UK, Australia, Canada and other European nations. The first thing that anybody thinks of, or tells you whenever the idea of weight loss is brought up is you've got to hit the treadmill, exercise bike or the streets and burn those calories. Don't be surprised that this is literally wrong. Cardio does burn calories, it's true, and yes, some cardio is good for you. Light cardio promotes a healthy heart and increases your endurance. On the other hand, heavy cardio actually begins to have the opposite effects. Firstly, a lot of heavy cardio is hard on your knees and feet. Secondly, it's also hard on the heart. Too much cardio actually begins to add scar tissue to your heart and increases your rate of heart attack. I didn't realize that for a while until many scientific studies were done on the subject. Our bodies are genetically designed to survive. Our body's job is to store energy as fuel both for its immediate use and in the form of fat for those times when food is scarce. In modern times, of course, food isn't really scarce. However, when you deprive your body of the nutrients it requires, either by starving yourself on some crazy diet or by overtaxing your body with lots of cardio, it begins to switch into survival mode. Additionally, and unfortunately with heavy cardio, your body also becomes anabolic. This means that it begins to burn the most effective source of energy first, and that's not fat, it's your muscle. Take a good look at some of these chronic long-distance runners who compete. Many of them are kind of